Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I will be reviewing / giving you a full tutorial using Gabrielle Union's new and improved hair care line, Flawless by Gabrielle Union. So here are some quick facts about this line. This line is made up of 12 products, but in my video today I will be using 8 out of the 12 products. So stay tuned and do not go anywhere. Starting off with a hydrating co-wash cleansing conditioner, I am going to be cleansing my hair with a co-wash today because I am in between washes and I just want a mini cleanse of my hair. This co-wash cleansing conditioner is infused with marshmallow root extract and rice oil complex, and it helps to remove dirt and product buildup, but at the same time it also helps to nourish and condition your hair. One thing to note about this conditioner is that it actually feels very soft. It is not as thick, but at the same time it feels really good on my scalp, and I feel like I am getting a really good cleanse without stripping my hair of all the oils in my hair. So I am going to use this co-wash twice. After the first time, I'm going to rinse it out, and then I'm going to go in again and cleanse my scalp and my hair. After cleansing my hair, I will follow up with a 3-minute restoring conditioner. Now this restoring conditioner feels amazing. It is semi-thick, medium thick consistency, but at the same time what I really like is that it is infused with Brazilian bakuri butter, olive oil, and castor seed oil, which are really essential to your hair, and this conditioner works in minutes to help really condition your hair whilst also infusing moisture back into your hair. After conditioning, rinsing out the conditioner from my hair, today I am going to be styling. First, I am going to blow dry my hair with my Rep Air reverse blow dryer. I have shown in a different video how I use this dryer just in case it's too fast. So to start, I'm going to work my hair in sections. First, I'm going to apply my detangling leave-in conditioner and gently use my fingers to rake through my hair. And then I am going to use my shine enhancing heat protection spray to protect my hair whilst I apply heat. Then I'm going to finish by applying the smoothing blow dry cream to my hair. I really love this cream. It is not too thick, but I actually love the consistency, and I also really like how it smells. So I'm going to finally add that to my hair and then use my fingers to break through my hair, and then use my detangling brush to take out any tangles left in my hair before I use my Rev Air to blow dry my hair. Whenever I blow dry my hair, I always make sure to twist up my hair so my hair doesn't easily shrink up. I'm going to twist as I go on to blow dry until I am done, and then I'm going to use a wide tooth comb to comb out my hair. So this is how my hair looks after I have blow dried all my hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and style. To style my hair today, I'll be using my Sleep Foam hair curlers I got from Amazon. I will link it down in my description. And then I'm going to be using my defining curl cream as well as my Flawless by Gabrielle Union Restoring Exotic Oil Treatment. First, I'm going to be using a little bit of my defining curl cream to my hair. And then I am going to add Restoring Exotic Oil Treatment to my hair to add shine into my hair and also reduce frizz. Then I am going to twist up my hair and roll the ends of my hair and the twist on my Sleep Foam hair curlers. Now this Sleep Foam hair curlers is very comfortable to sleep in and it's super lightweight, so I really like to use it. I'm going to repeat this method for all the other sections of my hair until I am completely done, and then I'm going to allow my hair to air dry for about 36 hours before I take the Sleep Foam hair curlers out. So now I'm going to go ahead and take out my Sleep Foam curlers, and can you see that curl and that bounce? I really like the way my hair turned out. So after taking out the curlers, I'm going to go ahead and untwist my hair. As you can see, my twist out is popping, my curls are popping. And then now I am going to separate my twist and curls, but before I do that, I always make sure to just shake my head around a little bit just to give my hair that full effect that I'm going for. And then I'm going to use my fingers to gently massage my scalp and the roots of my hair so my hair comes out more fuller. Now I am going to separate, and then I'm going to use a pick to pick out the roots of my hair. you see how my curls are popping? I love the way my hair came out. I love the results, and I also love the fact that my hair looks super moisturized. You can find Flawless by Gabrielle at Sally Beauty Supply and also on Amazon, but I will be linking all the products I used in this video down below, so go check it out. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, as well as do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.